Okay, ARDEX X77 challenge. I have this glass vase. I think it's maybe about 3 pounds maybe. Look at that. And then now, I'm gonna fill it with water and hopefully it doesn't fall down and break. Well, we will see. I don't see it moving yet, but I'm kind of scared.
Now it starts sliding. Slightly.
All right, so I think this might let go. How's that for an ARDEX X77 challenge? We could put a little goldfish in there. She could have a nice little home.
It's not moving. Let's put it on a scale. All right?
Okay, now I'm gonna put it on a scale just to see how heavy this was. So that's about 10 pounds.
10.12 pounds. Let's put it in ounces, gram, and kilogram. So 4.895 kilogram. That's quite a bit.